Consumer Reports has finalized its newest reliability rankings, and 8 SUVs scored high enough to redefine expectations for the entire segment. These vehicles did not merely perform well against their direct competitors, they established new benchmarks that call into question the engineering priorities of manufacturers who failed to make the list. The companies dominating these rankings are not the ones investing billions in experimental technology, aggressive marketing campaigns, or flashy product launches designed to generate headlines. Instead, they are the manufacturers that continued refining proven engineering principles, while their competitors pursued trends that prioritized novelty over durability. The contrast between these two approaches has never been more visible than it is in this year's data. The vehicle ranked first carries a badge that most buyers overlook entirely when shopping in the luxury SUV segment. Its reliability score generated demand so significant that even its own dealerships were caught off guard by the volume of inquiries and purchase orders that followed the publication of these rankings. Every SUV on this list shares a common engineering approach that separates them from the vehicles that failed to qualify. Proven powertrains take priority over experimental ones. Simplified systems replace unnecessary complexity. Extended development time wins out over rushed production schedules designed to meet arbitrary launch dates. This pattern explains why certain vehicles remain functional at 250,000 miles, while others require major repairs before reaching 60,000. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid ranks 8th on this list. Consumer Reports has consistently placed it among the most reliable vehicles sold in North America, and its position here reflects years of accumulated ownership data rather than short-term impressions. 4 model years into this generation, no repeating pattern of mechanical failure has emerged across the ownership base. There are no widespread hybrid battery complaints filling service departments, no inverter failures forcing expensive replacements, no transmission issues requiring intervention. The vehicle simply operates as designed year after year, mile after mile. Toyota designed this hybrid system using powertrain architecture shared with its global fleet of commercial hybrids. This includes taxis operating in dense urban environments, delivery vehicles subjected to constant stop-and-go cycles, and industrial applications overseas that routinely exceed 300,000 miles on identical technology. The RAV4 Hybrid benefits directly from lessons learned across millions of miles accumulated by these commercial applications. Owners report fuel economy in the mid-40s even when the vehicle is under load, carrying passengers and cargo simultaneously. More notably, vehicles with 150,000 miles on the odometer continue returning the same efficiency numbers they achieved when new. The hybrid system shows minimal degradation over time, which cannot be said for many competing technologies. The RAV4 Hybrid holds approximately 70% of its value after 3 years of ownership, a figure that rivals luxury vehicles, costing significantly more at initial purchase. The Honda CR-V Hybrid ranks 7th. Consumer Reports awarded it one of the highest reliability scores in its segment, and the ownership data accumulated over multiple model years confirms why this recognition is deserved. Owners report 0 major mechanical failures across the production run, no hybrid battery degradation requiring replacement, no electrical anomalies causing warning lights or system malfunctions, no transmission problems demanding expensive repairs. The powertrain Honda has developed and refined over the past decade functions without incident under normal ownership conditions. The electric motor assists seamlessly during acceleration, providing immediate torque response when the driver requests power. The ECVT avoids the disconnected sensation common in inferior continuously variable transmissions, maintaining a direct relationship between throttle input and vehicle response. The gasoline engine remains quiet during normal driving, engaging audibly only during steep climbs or when the driver demands maximum power for passing maneuvers. This calibration reflects years of development work focused on driver satisfaction rather than specification sheet performance. Honda avoided the temptation to add overly complex sensors and fragile air suspension components that often cause problems as vehicles age. The engineering team prioritized long-term durability over short-term feature comparisons. Fuel economy settles in the mid-40s without requiring any special driving techniques from the owner. Interior materials age gracefully without developing the rattles, squeaks, or premature fading that plague competitors. Resale value hovers between 68% and 70% after 3 years, placing the CR-V Hybrid directly alongside Toyota in ownership cost efficiency. The Lexus UX ranks 6th, holding the position of most reliable small luxury SUV, according to Consumer Reports testing and ownership data. The UX lacks the commanding presence of larger Lexus models, and its compact dimensions often cause shoppers to overlook it when browsing dealership lots. However, its build quality and long-term durability rank among the highest in the entire segment, regardless of price point. The platform underneath the UX has been refined over multiple generations of development. Lexus engineers have systematically identified and eliminated potential failure points through extensive testing and real-world feedback analysis. The result is a vehicle requiring remarkably little maintenance beyond scheduled service intervals. Owners visit dealerships for routine oil changes and tire rotations, and little else. The hybrid variant delivers fuel efficiency in the low to mid-40s while producing enough power for confident driving in urban environments where the vehicle spends most of its time. Inside the cabin, genuine luxury materials create an atmosphere appropriate for the Lexus badge. Soft touch surfaces cover areas where hands and arms naturally rest. Precise stitching demonstrates attention to detail that mass-market competitors cannot match at similar price points. The infotainment system has been improved significantly over recent model years, addressing earlier criticisms about interface complexity. The cabin remains remarkably quiet at all speeds, thanks to acoustic glass in the windshield and strategic sound deadening materials placed throughout the vehicle structure. The Toyota Crown Signia ranks 5th, and Consumer Reports has already positioned it at the top of the two-row mainstream SUV category for reliability, despite its recent introduction to the market. Many buyers remain unaware that this vehicle exists, as Toyota has not pursued aggressive marketing campaigns to announce its arrival. The Crown Signia replaces the discontinued Venza, and Toyota clearly used that model transition as an opportunity to refine the entire package rather than simply rebadging an existing product. The hybrid powertrain comes directly from the Highlander, bringing with it proven components, proven efficiency figures, and an established track record of durability accumulated over years of production. This parts-sharing strategy reduces costs while simultaneously increasing reliability. Components that have already demonstrated their durability in one application carry that proven performance into new vehicles. Inside the Crown Signia, material quality sits noticeably closer to Lexus than traditional Toyota products. Soft leather covers the seating surfaces. Genuine wood accents appear on the dashboard and door panels. A minimalist dashboard design reduces visual clutter while maintaining access to necessary controls. Fuel economy lands in the high 30s to low 40s, depending on driving conditions and individual driving style. Because Toyota utilized existing architecture rather than developing something entirely new, the Crown Signia avoids the first model year problems that affect genuinely new vehicle designs. Buyers receive a refined product from the initial production run. The Subaru Outback Wilderness ranks 4th, earning a score of 93 from Consumer Reports through deliberate simplicity rather than technological addition. While competitors added features to their specification sheets, Subaru removed potential failure points from the Wilderness variant. The Outback Wilderness was engineered specifically for harsh operating conditions that destroy ordinary vehicles. It has survived 127-degree testing conducted in Death Valley, where heat stress reveals weaknesses in cooling systems and electronic components. It has operated successfully in -40 conditions in Alaska, where cold temperatures expose vulnerabilities in battery systems, lubricants, and rubber components. It has endured off-road punishment that would disable most vehicles within hours of exposure. Through all of these challenges, the Outback Wilderness remained mechanically sound and fully functional. Subaru's earlier generations suffered from head gasket failures that damaged the brand's reputation among informed buyers. The company addressed that problem comprehensively rather than minimally. Engineers redesigned the engine block metallurgy to eliminate the conditions that caused gasket failure. They rebuilt the sealing technology using improved materials and manufacturing processes. Most significantly, every single engine is now tested for 200 continuous hours before installation in a vehicle. This is not random sampling or batch testing. Every individual engine proves its durability before reaching a customer. Subaru also removed components from the Wilderness that typically cause problems as vehicles age. There is no electronic parking brake to fail, no sensor-loaded power liftgate to malfunction. The underbody protection consists of genuine steel plates rather than decorative plastic covers that crack on first contact with obstacles. The suspension components appear oversized for the vehicle's weight class, providing additional margin against wear and failure. The Outback Wilderness retains approximately 72% of its value after 3 years of ownership, higher than several luxury SUVs sold at double the initial purchase price. The Lexus NX 350H ranks third, and Consumer Reports awarded it a reliability score of 94, despite the vehicle containing more technology than most competitors in its class. This result initially appears contradictory. More technology typically means more potential failure points and lower reliability scores. The feature list for the NX 350H includes adaptive suspension that adjusts damping rates hundreds of times per second based on road conditions. A touchpad interface controls infotainment functions. Digital displays replace analog gauges throughout the cabin. Mood lighting offers numerous color options for interior ambiance. Each of these systems represents a potential failure point that could generate warranty claims and owner dissatisfaction. Lexus addressed this challenge by delaying the production launch by 11 months beyond the original schedule. During that extended development period, engineers identified and resolved 17 potential failure points discovered during pre-production testing. They rebuilt entire systems before any customer received a vehicle. The NX 350H that reached dealerships was not a first-generation product in any practical sense. It had already undergone the debugging process that typically occurs during the first year of customer ownership. The hybrid system uses components sourced from Toyota's Industrial Equipment division. This is the same technology powering forklifts and warehouse machinery that operate continuously for years under demanding commercial conditions. Reliability in those applications is not optional. The NX 350H delivers 39 miles per gallon in combined driving while accelerating to 60 miles per hour in 6.8 seconds. Owners report minimal battery degradation even after accumulating high mileage. The cabin materials, including semi-aniline leather and reinforced stitching, resist cracking and fading even when exposed to extreme temperatures over extended periods. The Toyota Highlander Hybrid ranks second with a Consumer Reports score of 96. A figure that essentially rewrites expectations for the three-row SUV segment. Three-row SUVs typically suffer from reliability problems that their two-row counterparts avoid. The additional weight of larger bodies and third-row structures places increased stress on powertrains. Extended wheelbases complicate suspension geometry and increase the number of components subject to wear. Electrical demands rise substantially when powering additional climate control zones, entertainment systems, and powered seat adjustments. Most three-row vehicles develop issues earlier in their service lives than comparable two-row models. Toyota approached this challenge by scaling up proven systems from the Prius and Camry rather than developing new hybrid technology specifically for the Highlander. These source powertrains have accumulated millions of real-world miles, demonstrating their durability across diverse climates and driving conditions. No experimental components were introduced. No engineering risks unique to this model year were accepted. Every Highlander hybrid undergoes 847 individual tests before leaving the factory floor. These are not superficial visual inspections. They include comprehensive diagnostic scans of all electronic systems, calibrated pressure testing of fluid circuits, and seal verifications measured to the millimeter. Toyota treats production as a scientific process with documented outcomes rather than an assembly quota to be met. 4 years into this generation, no significant pattern of mechanical failure has appeared in the ownership data. Owner forms remain quiet regarding major problems. Recall lists are minimal. This track record is statistically unprecedented for any three-row vehicle, and particularly unusual for a hybrid powertrain. The Highlander Hybrid retains approximately 70% of its value after 3 years, while most competitors lose 45% or more over the same period. The vehicle delivers 35 miles per gallon in combined driving, seats 8 passengers across 3 rows, and offers 5,000-pound towing capacity for recreational equipment. The Acura MDX ranks first with a Consumer Reports score of 97. This places it in reliability territory, typically reserved for vehicles that owners describe as essentially refusing to break down. Acura had struggled for years to differentiate itself from its parent company Honda. Industry critics regularly questioned whether the brand offered genuine value beyond badge engineering and slightly upgraded interior materials. The MDX answered those questions with data rather than marketing claims. The MDX shares its underlying platform with the Honda Pilot, a fact that critics initially cited as evidence of badge engineering. However, the engineering underneath that shared platform differs substantially between the two vehicles. Acura rebuilt the suspension geometry entirely, changing mounting points, spring rates, and damper characteristics. They redesigned the electronics architecture from the ground up to support features unique to the luxury market. They added insulation materials throughout the vehicle structure in locations where the Pilot uses standard components. The chassis tuning process alone required 24 months of dedicated development work. Most manufacturers allocate 6 months to this phase and consider it sufficient for market introduction. Acura continued refining calibrations until the MDX rode with the composure of a luxury sedan, while handling with a precision unexpected at its considerable weight. The acoustic insulation package extends beyond simple thickness. It covers doors, floor panels, the roof structure, and every interior surface with materials specifically engineered to eliminate road noise before it reaches passenger ears. The electronic systems operate reliably over extended ownership periods, which cannot be said for many European competitors positioned at similar price points and targeting similar buyers. Maintenance requirements for the MDX consist primarily of oil changes and tire rotations performed at standard intervals. Dealership service departments have implemented reminder programs specifically because MDX customers forget that their vehicles require any attention whatsoever. Ownership becomes so uneventful that scheduled maintenance slips from memory. Acura extended the powertrain warranty to 6 years or 70,000 miles, not as damage control following discovered problems, but as a confidence statement backed by engineering data. The third row accommodates adult passengers comfortably, rather than serving as an emergency bench, requiring occupants to fold themselves into awkward positions. The vehicle remains stable at highway speeds, regardless of passenger and cargo loading, and cabin noise levels remain remarkably low, even during extended driving. These 8 SUVs share a characteristic that separates them from the hundreds of models that failed to qualify for this list. Reliability was engineered deliberately into each of these vehicles through conscious decisions made during development. It was not achieved by accident or good fortune. The manufacturers dominating these Consumer Reports rankings build vehicles intended to remain solid at 100,000 miles and beyond, not merely to impress reviewers during short evaluation periods at 10,000 miles. Proven powertrains take priority over experimental alternatives. Simplified systems replace unnecessary complexity that generates service visits. Extended development time produces refined products rather than rushed launches that treat early customers as beta testers. These principles separate vehicles capable of lasting 250,000 miles from those requiring expensive intervention before reaching 60,000.